Excellennial here to tell you what Excellennial is. I have a problem with Excel, and that's that it isn't always simple, and it can be really boring to sit and watch a 15 to 30-minute video to learn how to use it. My goal with Excellennial is to focus on making Excel a little more interesting and easier to understand by using stories. But first, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Lacey Jade Lonzo, and I am the Excel Millennial. My hope with this YouTube channel is to use my love for Excel to show other people how it's valuable and how to use it. I currently have 3 series right now: the main story-based Excel tutorials, the True Story series, which is situations I've encountered in real life and how I address them, and the Nathan the Novice series, which focuses more on the beginner aspects of Excel. If you have any challenges for me, contact me at info@laceylonzo.com and we'll see if we can work those problems out together. With your permission, I might be able to even use the story on Excellennial. Thank you for visiting my channel, and until next time, have fun excelling!